is you guys can do this on all key critical levels as well. You're like, oh, triple top, bing, bing, bing. You don't know for sure if it's going to go up or down. Wouldn't that be a perfect time for a straddle? Bing. You don't know for sure if it's going to go up or down. How about you have a call and a put, and then have a stop on each one? Look, they're both just going to be the same exact strike price and the same exact expiration date. Once you start changing those, you're doing a strangle and not a straddle.
Fantastic. Thanks, Coach.
Yep.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it.
Coach, what stop loss do you use on straddles?
They have to be enough. There's never a definitive answer, ever. There's never a definitive answer. But you do have to allow it room, right? Because sometimes it'll go, oh, we think it's going to go up. And you're like, oh, I got stopped out right here. And then I got stopped out right here. Damn it. Right. So you got to give it some breathing room. Because what do you care? Because if one goes up and one goes down, aren't they going to balance each other out? Because
Yes,
at the end of the day, what you want it to just keep going, right? So even if you had a 20 to, 30% or whatever you come up with, whatever your stop loss is, even if it's great up here and down here, one of them's going to take over, pay for the other one that it went the other way, and the rest is pure money, right? You guys know exactly what to do on double tops, triple bottoms, right? It's all the same. You can do a straddle everywhere. You could do hell, you guys could do a straddle at the open of the bell. You could buy a call and a put a stop and a stop. Which way do you want to go? Let's see what happens today, right? You could lose in the middle, obviously, but do you understand? That's the idea of it. One will take over and pay for the one you lost on. If your call goes running, it'll pay for the put you lost money on and vice versa. Does that make sense?
Let's say you were trying to buy a straddle at a double top or a double bottom. How would you differentiate where you should buy the straddle rather that, let's say if you're at the top of your drawing that you drew or at the bottom of your drawing that you drew? That was primarily my question.
Yeah, they're identical, so it doesn't matter. Anytime you're running into a critical area, let's say that's the critical area, that's the critical area. It comes down, touches, here's your straddle. It goes up, touches, there's your straddle there. You could have straddled there, you could have straddled there, you could have straddled there. Does that make sense? Yep, because it's either going to go down or it's going to go up, right? It's just better to wait for a big key critical area of like a double bottom or a double top or a triple because it's more likely in that range to have a bigger move than just kind of in the middle of a channel, right?